Hello, first grade. Happy Monday. Welcome back for your grammar lesson. Today we are talking about putting sentences in the correct order. I'm going to say that again, putting sentences in the correct order. So every sentence has to make sense. When we write it with our capital letter and put our punctuation mark, the words in the middle have to go in an order that makes sense. So you're going to do this on your own in just a minute, but before you do, I want to do a couple with you. So here we go. So this sentence is, can jump I. There's a capital letter at the end and a period in the middle. That looks a little funny. So let's fix it. So last week we practiced fixing the capital letter and the punctuation mark. This week we're going to practice doing that, but fixing all the words in the middle because they're all scrambled up. So you know that your capital letter has to go at the beginning. So you want to find your capital letter and put that at the beginning. So this is my I. Sometimes the computer writes the I kind of funny. That is a capital I though. And you know the word that has the punctuation mark has to go at the end. So let me move myself up. There we go. So we know the last word of the sentence has to be jump. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. This is kind of like a puzzle. We want to put the pieces where they belong. So here's jump, and I have my period. So we've done I can cross that out. We've done jump, I can cross that out. What's left? You should know this word. This is one of our sight words. This is can. So does that make sense? I can jump? Yes, it does. So I put can in the middle. Very good. So that is number one. I can jump. You want to check that you have a capital letter, you have a punctuation mark, you have finger spaces, and that it makes sense. Great job. So let's go on to the next one. Our next one, let's read it first and then let's put it back together. This is dog, dog, the, it, sit, can. That makes no sense. So we have to put it in the correct order. Dog, the, sit, can. So we can start by finding the word that has the capital letter, and we know that has to be the first word of the sentence. So let's start with our sight word, the. This is another reason it's so important to know your sight words. So the, we've used the, that's finished. We know this word has to go at the end because it's with the punctuation mark, and we can't have a period in the middle of a sentence. So sit goes over here. And then we just have to figure out what makes sense in the middle. So we can try both. So we can say, the dog can sit, or the can dog sit. Which one makes more sense? You are correct. The dog can sit. So let's write that. The dog. And do you notice I'm not putting any capital letters in my words? The only capital letter in my sentence is the first letter. So for example, when you write this A, it should not be a big A. It should be a little a. The dog can sit. Very good. Let's do one more together, and then you are going to try this all by yourself. Here we go. Okay, name my Ashton is. That's all mixed up. So let's put it in order. Like I said, it's like a puzzle. We find the capital letter. That goes first. My. We find the period. This has to be the last word, is Ashton. Okay, so we've done my, we've done Ashton. What makes sense in the middle? My name is Ashton, or my is name Ashton? Good. My name is Ashton. So let's check. Does Miss Gates have a capital letter at the beginning? Yes. Do I have a period at the end? Yes. Do I have finger spaces? The best I can. Yes. And does it make sense? Let's read it again. My name is Ashton. Very good. So I want you to go back and try these three all by yourself, and then do the next couple, putting the words in order the best that you can. Good luck.